Hi, Vicki from Down To Earth Opals, and I'm sitting here on the famous edge of the Coocoran opal fields. We used to mine out here back in the 90s, and today I'm going to share with you a couple of our legacy pieces that came from our own claim. We were mining a claim that produced knobby opal, which is a round nodular formation at 50 feet deep. And then at a further 20 feet deep, we were producing seam opal, which is a flat vein or seam like this piece here. And we've faced that one up. And you'll also notice there's a little knobby stuck to the side there. It's pretty cool. So the two cut stones that I have here with me, the first one was cut from a knobby, and you'll notice it's in a free-form carved shape. We've got some lovely friendly flies with us today as well. But you see this vivid green gold gem colour. It's amazing. It's solid colour all the way through. Now, generally speaking, black opal has a naturally forming black backing on the back of the stone, but this one is solid colour all the way through, and it is opaque. Amazing piece carved by our world-renowned opal carver Daniela Labate. And this piece came from the second level, the seam opal level, and displays vivid multicolour in pinfire pattern. These are in the private collection of Down To Earth Opals.